Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel with another exciting lecture for the flow cytometry. In today's lecture, we will see how we can create a 3-color protocol for our flow cytometry. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's start this lecture. Just click it on the large from the tile special, go to the dot plot properties, change the font size, make it much bigger, make it bold, press OK, and better keep it regular. Yeah, that's pretty fine, and reduce a little bit size of it. Go to the X parameter, Fs, and make it Y parameter side scattered. Select and press Ctrl D to duplicate the plot. You can adjust the size of the plot. Ideally, we are keeping it in this way for the gating purpose. And also I'm going to make a density plot. Drag it and adjust the size. Click the dot plot properties. From the X parameter, select FL5. Why? Because I have a CD45 in FL5 color. Then click on the density plot option. Go to the X and select also FL5. Now duplicate the first plot, which is the forward and side. Bring it here. Go to the properties. Go to the X parameter and select FL1. For the Y, select FL2 to see the fluorochrome appearing. So as we are going to make a 3-color protocol, so we have 3 colors already, FL5, FL1, FL2. Go to file, go to edit, attributes, select FL1 and type CD3 FITC and FL2 CD19 PE. Then we have FL5, and FL5 is CD45 PC7. These are the fluorochrome name like FITC, PC7, PE. Then press OK. Once you press OK, you observe that the parameter change according to the fluorochrome which I selected. So in this plot with CD45, I have to make a gate. So go to the polygon region or rectangular region, up to you. I'm going to select the polygon region. Bring the mouse, click, drag, or move, and then come back and touch to the starting point. I will make another one just beside the first one. So this will be my gate B. So I have done the gating A and B, and in this plot I am going to make a quadrant which divided into 4, and it is still ungated. So B is usually the population which is coming for leukemic cells. Later on I will tell you what type of leukemic cells in my coming lectures. So to change it and select the data to be appear in this plot from gate B, go to the properties and select the gate B. Now we want to save this protocol. Okay, yes, we have done our protocol. We want to save it. Click Save Protocol, rename the protocol, and I'm going to give the name 3-color protocol. Okay, better to type 3-color, and I'm usually typing the CD markers, so it will identify me easily what type of CD markers are present in my protocol. Click OK, and you will observe that our newly made 3-color protocol is appearing. And we have done, yes, we have done our protocol for the 3-color in the flow cytometer. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Keep watching my channel for the upcoming new lectures. Till then, bye.